Hey, do you want to know the best warranty company available? Then watch this short video to the end so you don't miss the point. Let me tell you about the best home warranty services that I have been working with for 5 years. I will show you a few secrets that few people know about, but which make it truly one of the best in the best home warranty services category. I will leave the link to the official site under this video. Watch carefully. We are getting started.
Total Home Protection provides quality and comprehensive coverage for your reliable appliances and systems, such as a septic system, and their coverage plans fit any home budget. Total Home Protection is a relatively new company in the home warranty market, as it was founded in 2016 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. They offer coverage in 46 states, and these customers appreciate the reasonable premiums, good coverage limits, and coverage for most appliances and systems. They also offer promotions such as $200 off a year and 2 months for new customers. Be sure to let your customer service representative know about this offer. They even offer discounts on multi-year prices to keep your items insured longer. Total Home Protection is committed to providing you with exceptional service and state-of-the-art home warranty products. They pre-screen service contractors to make sure that they will provide effective solutions to any problem you may encounter with your home systems or appliances, regardless of age, brand, or model. Its customer service is top-notch, and the company maintains high standards, which is why its BBB and Google review ratings are quite high compared to other industry giants like American Home Shield. Even if your claim is outside the scope of its service agreement, they will try to help you as much as they can. The company's policies are also clearly laid out and include all the information you need about inclusions, exclusions, and dollar limits on coverage. Total Home Protection was nominated for the 2019 Home Insurance Awards and received a medal in the Best Summary Rating category. It's time to make a decision. Take a look around your home and think about what items you would definitely want to insure with Total Home Protect. Which items are the most expensive to repair if you're paying out of pocket? Can your unique items be covered? Now that you've thought about that, let's take a look at what home warranty plans the company has to offer, what they cover, and typical costs. Total Home Protection's home warranty company offers 2 basic plans, Gold and Platinum, which include a combination of systems and devices. The Gold plan includes plumbing and electrical systems, a garage door opener, and a large selection of kitchen appliances, 15 items total. Air conditioning and heating systems are not included in this plan. The monthly cost of this plan is $46 per month. If you're a frugal homeowner who prefers to have as many systems and appliances as possible, the Platinum plan will be a much better choice. This plan offers coverage for all home systems, 2 air conditioning systems, heating, electricity, and plumbing. For appliances, this plan covers the washer and dryer, refrigerator, gas or electric stove, oven or cooktop, built-in microwave, dishwasher, garbage disposal, trash compactor, and more. This plan is a little more expensive at $52 a month, but it's worth it for the extra coverage. In addition to any Total Home Protection plan, you can add several items from the optional coverage list. Among these items, Total Home Protection Insurance offers additional coverage for a pool and spa, a second refrigerator, a self-contained freezer, a septic system, a sump pump, a good pump, and even a limited roof warranty. Note that each item on this list is priced separately, but can be added to any plan for a more customizable coverage plan. Before you decide which plan is best for your home, THP requires another deductible that must be paid at the time of repair. The deductible covers the cost of sending your service technician. The call fee for this company is $75, which is about the industry standard. Generally, with any company, the amount of warranty coverage depends on the plan you purchase and any additional add-ons you choose. The Total Home Protection warranty on your air conditioning system covers the mechanical parts and components of the 2-channel electric central air conditioning system in your home. This warranty does not cover window units, humidifiers, ductless wall units, or commercial-grade equipment. For the heating system in your home, the Total Home Protection warranty covers the mechanical parts and components of 2 systems. This can be a water and steam heating systems or a centralized air heating system powered by gas, oil, or electricity. The electric-powered baseboard is also covered. To be eligible for coverage, the heating system must not exceed 5 tons. It must be for residential use only. Commercial units are not covered under the home warranty. Note that maintenance and cleaning are not included in the insurance plan. Fireplaces, chimneys, heat lamps, and other heat sources are not covered under a total home protection plan. For water heaters, gas or electric, this home warranty company covers all parts and components except those listed in the not covered column. Total Home Protection's electrical system coverage under the home warranty is limited to $500 for access, diagnosis, repair or replacement during the term of the contract. The central vacuum system, telephone system, cable wiring, alarm system or any wiring serving a freestanding structure is not covered. For any leaks or breaks in water, gas, sewer, drain or vent lines, any Total Home Protection plan will provide up to $500 in coverage for the life of the contract. This includes access, diagnosis and repair or replacement. The toilet bowl and all related parts will be replaced with construction grade. In the event contractors need to break through any walls or ceilings to gain access to their repair site, roughing out will be covered up to $500 per claim. Rough trim includes suspended drywall or dimpled drywall, stucco and lath. Consumables or labor for painting, sanding, wallpapering or tiling are not included in the home warranty plan. The Total Home Protection warranty covers the following appliances: washer and dryer, refrigerator, built-in microwave, oven, stove or cooktop, dishwasher and garbage disposal. All mechanical parts and components important to the operation of the unit are covered, but not the doors, handles, grates, trays, knobs, etc. To get a free quote for Total Home Protection, call the company or fill out a simple online form. Total Home Protection differentiates itself from other home warranty companies with 24-hour customer service and a claims center. Total Home Protection representatives are available by phone 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and allow you to submit online claims through the customer portal. Our review team looked at Total Home Protection service contract to find out the details of filing claims. Here's what we found. During normal business hours, Total Home Protection will contact an authorized service technician within 2 days of receiving a service request. On weekends and holidays, the process can take up to 4 days. Total Home Protection has the right to choose the service technician assigned to your job. If the company allows you to go to an independent contractor for repairs or replacements, you will be reimbursed for the cost of the work. Total Home Protection can get a second opinion to investigate the failure of your device or system to determine if it is covered under your warranty.